breathes 20-foot long plumes of fire, searing cars to perfection at 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 million BTUs of heat output.
Whoa.
And that is a hot breakfast.
That's a hot breakfast for sure. All right, the jaws are open. We're going for breakfast now.
Each one of those claws crushes cars with 24,000 pounds of gripping force.
Yeah, you really don't need something quite that big to trim your bushes, you know? I mean, that's amazing, the power this guy has.
The first bite in the morning is just so good. Each one of the stainless steel teeth is 1.5 feet tall, and they exert 75 tons of ripping power.